Well, primarily I'm a singer and guitar player. I'm out doing gigs and performances every weekend and at different places around Pittsburgh. And also when I'm not singing, I host a TV show for the Pittsburgh Steelers, which is a lot of fun. When I'm on camera, I do wear my Invisalign teen. Being a singer, it was crucial for me to be able to take my braces out when I sing because it always distorted my voice a little bit when I had braces before. The Invisalign teen is a lot easier to take care of and manage than regular braces are. When I'm about to go on camera, I don't have to take a little tool in the bathroom and try to make sure my teeth are clear. I just have to take out the aligners, brush them, or put them in the little cleaner thing and put them back in and I'm good to go. It's very convenient. My friends with the traditional braces are pretty jealous of the Invisalign teen because they're using their little tools to try to get stuff out of their braces, and I just take out my aligners and wash them. If somebody was considering to get Invisalign teen, I would tell them definitely do it. It's one of the best choices you'll ever make. I'm so happy with my Invisalign teen aligners, I can't even tell you. So I'm always smiling and I'm always meeting new people and talking, and it's made me a lot more confident. I think it's good to correct my teeth now instead of waiting until later because life's only going to get busier for me. So getting it done now is the best thing that I could do.